came down here to tell you the truth. You voted for Biden. Where's your mask? Put your mask on. Fuck off. I'll kick your ass. And I'm armed. Don't get out of your boat. Don't get out of your boat.
Meet me over there, man.
Don't get out of your
Don't
boat.
see me get out of the boat, motherfucker.
I got a picture.
Grab my
I work for the state of New
Grab
York.
my ski. I'm minding my own business. Grab my ski. Grab my ski. Grab my ski. Grab my ski. What the fuck you doing? Bothering my ass. Come on, meet me over there, motherfucker. Come on. I'm gonna hit you 3 times in the fucking face. You're not gonna see my hands move, motherfucker. Hunt your fucking mouth. Come on. Come on.
I voted for Joe Biden.
Fuck you. And your mother too. Come on.
You're fucking my mother?
Yeah. Come on.
You're being taped
I'm
too.
gonna hit you 3 times in the face. You're not gonna see my hands move, motherfucker. Come on.
Coach, you gotta chill. You gotta chill. No, chill. Chill.
I'm minding my own fucking business over here. I'm paid $1,000 a fucking thing. What
This
the
is
fuck are you
ridiculous
talking
what you're paying out here. It's ridiculous. I grew up in Yorktown. I used to have a boat here.
Oh, it's all
A
Biden's fault.
rowboat.
I don't want to talk politics, bro. You want to fight?
No.
Then get the fuck out of here and leave me alone.
Well, don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you, bro.
I wasn't making fun of you either.
All right, listen, you're all right.
I know, but you're
I don't want to
what-
talk
why are you afraid of these
politics.
liberals?
I don't care, liberal. Listen, dude, when I was
why you-
18 years old, they drafted me to go in the army.
I went to Vietnam.
And I couldn't drink a beer and I couldn't vote. Ever since then, I don't give a fuck.